the next move, what we are planning, our weekly meeting, not only with the husband, I think there is a lot of mother and sisters are available here. In my mobile every day I get more than 70% calls from mother and sisters. Simply they say, our daughter is suffering, our son is suffering. I have request them, please organize yourself, please start your meeting, weekly meeting, with brothers, with sponsors, with you. When you meet two people who really understand what is the pain in this world, when you go to online dating, no one will support you. Let it your best friend. Your friend will be another online dating guy who has faced such situation. So please make all over India, whoever has came, start weekly meeting, send their helpline number to our own website. We have started, and all over India, within 1 year, we will make at least 100 NGO to give all the reply to this government authority what this legal terrorism is, and this legal terrorism has to be removed from this India. That is our aim, and in this time, 19 November, that is called International